nag-utin.
How can that be 6 if there's like...
No, this one is the real diamond.
No, I'm saying if that was a wet
It will show you the same, but the ticket doesn't say that.
Hi guys! Hello! Uban kami guys. Uban. Samahan nyo kami sa ano. Punta kami sa yung unang bahay namin, New Rochelle. Hindi, unang bahay. Magpunta kami sa New Rochelle, hindi sa bahay doon. Alam nyo na nasayahan ako sa aking English, sa aking Bisaya na sa pagbablog. Kasi parang madali akong mag-explain. Parang it's very easy for me to vlog na English naman eh. Uy, ano mang good town eh. So parang madali sa akin mag-vlog na Bisaya. Pero sayang naman din yung mga Tagalog natin na mga viewers na ang dami din, no? So, aakin ko lang ito. Ang gagawin ko lang is parang irambol-rambol ko lang itong mga dialect namin. And aking pagsasalita, no? So, maintindihan lang ninyo. Tara, Tammy is right here. Look, say hi.
Hi guys.
Hala, ang gandahan. The car is nice, oh. With the eyelashes.
Oh please.
With the, yung sasakyan ba nilagyan ng pink eyelashes? Eyelashes? May mga sasakyan talaga guys na yung mga lights sa harapan. Gibutangan nila ka ng big eyelashes guys. It's so cute, honey. Can I put that in this car?
No, stupid.
Han, can I put that in this car?
No.
A black eyelashes.
No.
And pink in the other side.
No.
Black and pink.
No. Don't pick no.
I can't even do anything. It's my own car.
Eyelashes, really? Eyelashes, huh?
Yes, eyelashes. So, karon guys, nailad ta diri kasi mangadto mi sa sa bangko, pero ang problema ito palang papel na ito, sabi pa ni Tammy, hindi ko binasa ng maayos yung papel. Hindi ko binasa ng maayos, so kaya ngayon ay nako, talagang buhay na ito.
Explain to me. I never even saw this letter. You got it, you took it, you told me, and we came with it. I just assumed that you told me it was correct.
So ngayon, ang gagawin namin, babalik kami sa bahay kasi wrong turn. It's a wrong turn. Itong asawa ko makipag-away pa talaga. Tammy's fighting with me guys. He doesn't listen. So where are you planning to go?
Store.
Which store?
Store. Jewelry.
Jewelry. I have too many jewelries, Tammy, that I don't wear. I told you.
Valentine's Day.
Just give me a card and a flower. I'm happy. Ha? Uy. Tammy. Stop. Just give me a card and give me a flower. You know I'm happy with flowers. Ano? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with all this jewelry? Itong kining akong bana ba? Pag ingnon ganit ni mo na wag, pagsabihan mo na wag, gagawin. So sabihin ko na lang, okay, can you buy me 5 jewelries? 5 of them, different kind. Real gold ha? With a lot of stone. Hey, can I pick what I want?
No.
No, I want a ring. Ganito yun, ganito na lang. I want a big diamond.
Big time.
Yeah. Ganito na lang para ano ba, para titigil siya ba. Kasi kapag sinabihan ko na ayaw, wag, mas lalo siyang gaganahan, mas lalo siyang bibili. So sabihin ko na lang ito na lang. So we're gonna GCPini. Where? There is GCPini over there. Oh, there's no GCPini in the Middletown GCPini. Ganito na lang talaga yung gawin ko. So I want a ring. A nice ring. Expensive ring. Really expensive. Okay? I pick.
I have better taste than you have.
I have a better taste. I have a bigger stone. I want. Hala, look what happened, honey. You broke the whole thing, honey. What? Is that intentional?
Probably not.
Huh? Guys, this is what happened. He doesn't really want to get holding hands with me because I don't know why. When we first meet, when we first see each other in Florida, he's always holding my hand with a cigarette and driving. He's like this, like he's afraid to lose me. Now, every time I hold his hand, he do like this. Araw ng mga puso, para naman maganda ang buhay, no? Para pagka next year, kayo pa rin. So, ngayon, 12 o'clock na, ang akong bitok nagutom. 12 o'clock na, meron akong dala dito. Nagdala ko nagdala jud kog ano. Yung gawa ko na banana bread. Sarap ng banana bread ni Marian. So, naabot na mi diri sa Macy's, no? Na mi diri naglaroy-laroy akong bana, oh. Naglaroy-laroy na mi diri kay nado siya paliton sa ako. Tapos ginawa ko. Iwan ko na lang. Niuban ko kay basin mahal ka yung paliton. Hindi kaya sa akong wallet. Hindi kaya sa budget. So kaya sinamahan ko na kasi tigas din ito eh. Hindi. Why don't you just give me a coat? A nice coat. Tapos na daw yung winter, guys. Spring na, spring. Spring na. Oy, hala, kamingaw. Hala, Ginoo ko Lourdes. Kamingaw ba diri, oy? Mura magwalay tao. Way tao diri. Dapita, oh. Oh yeah, why not that? Dami, ang mamahal naman ito, eh. Naata diri. Oh, that's a really delicate one. And it's really, ang mahal. Delicate, but the price is really crazy. Did you see that?
Yep.
Look at this ring, oh. Nice ring.
That's not a perfect fit.
Huh?
That's not, I like this one better, the one in the middle there.
So yes?
Yeah, black and honest.
Oh, God, they're so pretty.
That's not honest, that's sapphire, it's blue.
No, it's black.
Look close. Look from here.
That's very flashy.
I think it's kind of nice.
No, it's too much. That's expensive. Oh my God. You know how much is that?
Couple grand.
6 freaking thousand.
Nah.
Mura mag-utin, oy. Mura mo nag-utin.
How can that be six if there's only two?
Look at the price. Like 6,000 in the back.
Yeah, that's not, can't be right.
And everything, and I was like, how I'm gonna replace those earrings? Something like you can replace.
Yeah.
then
The green, it says it's diamond. Okay?
if it was a lab diamond, what would it do?
No, this one is a real diamond.
No, I'm saying if that was a lab
It
diamond.
will show you the
what
same,
would that
but the ticket doesn't say that it's a lab created, and we don't sell the lab created in the cases. The only
That's the problem nowadays.
Here for you. Yung asawa ko bili ng bili. Oh, this is nice. Simple. Oy, Coach. Oh. Is this leather? No, it's not.
No, Coach was supposed to. Coach was all really great leather.
Yeah, but now it's not.
It turned to crap.
Oh no, look at this. Is nice.
Now it's probably either way.
Psst. It's a leather one.
Hi. You sit. Make a call.
I love. Nakita ko naman yan, guys. Kita. This earrings is, sabi ko kay Tami, meron doon mga ganito doon. Pero sabi ko, ayaw kasi meron na ako dito. Oh. Meron na ako. Card. You are loved. Mary, who's Mary Han? Yung resibo is ikip natin yan. So, yan. Oh, so I'm gonna wear it now, okay? Thank you, Lalab. You don't really have to do this, honestly. Because he did this, guys, because he's just really crazy. You saw this already, right? Why the price is still here. You don't cut it.
Stones right off the bat.
Is it bigger stone?
Yeah, bigger stones.
Okay, look at how nice the other ones will look.
Let me see.
Thank you, love.
Let me see those. Just one.
Is it nice, love?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I love you.
Love you too. I'm gonna have a cigarette in my coffee.
Every time na si Tami magbigay sa akin, pinakita ko naman talaga. Hindi yun. Han, some people said, oh, you're showing off. No, because this, I do daily vlog. Every time you give me, I do daily vlog, okay?
Not like I got you a Porsche or anything. Really, we're freaking kidding.
It's not, hindi man daw na force, guys. Hindi man daw yan sasakyan, guys. Hindi man daw ako binigyan ng sasakyan. So, yun. Huwag kayong huwag kayong magloko-loko. Kasi hindi daw yan sasakyan yung binigay niya sa akin. Jewelry lang daw yan, oy. But anyway, so yun. Maganda man siya. Dito lang muna tayo guys. Salamat po sa panunood. Ito lang yung aming kaganap-ganap. And yun, sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Pasensya na sa mga galit dyan na pinakita ko. Well, I'm vlogging. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits next time.